all the rest. Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I'm actually using a real camera that you can't see. Oh wait, could you see the reflection? Kind of, just kind of. Oh wait. I could see the reflection, you probably can't. But yeah. Today we're going to be unboxing, well actually assembling. I already opened this. So, let's dump all this stuff out. By the way, this could be an airplane. Oh my god! The piece just went flying. Look, you see it? Ooh! Now the instructions are very bad, so man, could really use instructions right now. So the first thing is, let's check this first. Instructions. 1. This is number 1. Okay, that's 1, and then yeah, number 1. That's flipped on its side. So that might be 4, that might be... They're actually both the same, I think. No, this is 1, this is 1. It has that yellow thing on it. The wheels. This is the bottom. It has to be the bottom, right? 1 has to be the bottom. Because there's wheels. Then you have 2. For 2, the wings have to go... So it goes like... This is so weird. So you put the... Yeah. Put those in and then... You put the yellow ones on there. See the yellow ones? You put that on it. Because that's on the bottom. The yellow part is on the bottom. The yellow part is on the bottom, which means those... I don't have those weird spots. Wait a second. It's not supposed to have those weird spots. So it looks like this. Like this. And there's some weird lines that are supposed to come out. Oh no, wait. No, I was mistaken. Not from the other one. So, let's put this there. And then... Oh man, this is really hard. Wait a second. Okay. So we have to align them very well. Why isn't this going through? That's so weird. Why isn't it coming through? I'm already stuck first step. So you, okay, now, it's this. But you can't see it because I'm using this. Of course it's that. What? How do I do this? Nope. I didn't see. Does it actually go like that? Like this? Wait a second. This is upside down. And that doesn't matter. Because it's not making sense. Oh, okay. It still doesn't. So you do it like this and then it does nothing. Great thing to know. So now, that. Let's do the front first. The wing flaps. Because that's how it goes, right? Oh, okay. So you need this one. Wait a second, how does that make sense? Wait, this actually fits in that one? Okay. So... okay, now I know what to do. Left. Okay, then... Okay, that's all done. We need the bottom now. It's gonna be like this. Hopefully I'm right. We need some bolts. I did it! Look, guys. Look, I did it! By the way, I'm not done with the whole entire plane. I mean, seriously? There's so much more pieces left. Look. You think I'm gonna be done with the plane already? Okay, so now... Oh! Yay! Man, get over times. Because I never do this. Is it still going down? It can't be. There's nothing ever going on there. There's one right next to there, and then that's supposed to be just a hole. So I guess then... Get out of here, screw. Am I doing it the wrong way? I just feel like it's coming out right now. I don't think it could come out. Is it? It's not supposed to be there. Oh. can do this. We can do this. Nah, I wish I can't do it on you right now. Okay, so I have to do it here.
Twizzle, 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 twizzle.
Well, um, um, if I just tighten it. No, it's still not tight enough. Whew. Ah, what is this? Oh wait, there's supposed to be a. There's this one Hot Wheel I have that plane. I have a helicopter, but I also have a plane. Oh man, I hate it when that noise comes. It gives me a heart attack whenever that happens. Okay, so there's supposed to be a one of these here, and no. Just fasten it then. Wait, this is the limit? Then it just comes off. Are you serious right now? What's this? Oh my god! The wheels! No, the wheels! But I hate going under my bed. Whew. Here, here, here. Yeah, there. I'm so scared of under my bed. And I still don't know why. Come on, go down. Hey, bro, why? Why do you do this to me? Come on. Come on. Seriously? This is literally impossible. I'm literally dying from doing this. Hope I'm not. But I'm close to dying. Oh man. How do you do this? It doesn't make sense. What's this supposed to be? Oh, that's mine? Fine. The front is supposed to be this, but I don't know that. Then I can't put a screw here. I'm just serious right now. Like I can put a screw there, but then there's no other screws. the top. What's supposed to go on the... Oh! I just figured out what this is for. There's this shape on the top. Yeah, that's the top of the plane. Then you go this. Oh wait, do you put a bolt in there? Well, yeah, this plane is so weird. It's super weird. What's this for? Oh yeah. Mm. I'm literally gonna have nightmares of making this thing for the next 3 weeks. Ugh. Ugh. I like 3 outfits. Dun, 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 dun. This is useless. Okay. Now what do I do with this? Are you serious right now? Do I put this there? This won't come off anyways. I'll burn that screw. Just one more screw. I'm just making it more. This is way too tight for it. And it's gonna be at the shape of that. Oh. Yes. Man, that thing is definitely screwed on. I'm gonna have to break my fingernails to do this. So, yes! Finally! Oh no. Oh. So this is doesn't make sense. Manual instructions are there. Nope, none. Wait. Ow. Why'd you have to staple this? How? Oh man. Oof, hurts. Fold the numbers to set up. That doesn't work. Look, that's only one nail, one screw, and you have to keep this on, and it... And then what's this hole for? for a play? What is this part for a play? Does it cover this? Nope. Oh man. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube now. Oh, I was already on YouTube. The airplane avion. Airplane avion. Man, couldn't they have made a YouTube video? For kids. It's for kids. This is not helping at all. Google, save my face from this evilness. Airplane, avion. Huh? No. There it is! I found it. It's only $1 as well. Truck, camion, motorbike, moto. Oh my god. Well, I don't need to be searching stuff on eBay. I already have it. How to assemble. Why did I choose to get this app store? It's not making sense. Wait a second. What if you could do this with one screw? You think I can? Well, it's impossible to get this screw in there. Wait a second. What if a screwdriver can help me? Like a real screwdriver. Not one made from plastic, because no, this one didn't cover that. Wish they did though. Just get a screwdriver, give it to the kid. Kid goes crazy. Yeah, well, that's life. Come on! Seriously? You know what? I'm gonna ask a friend to assemble this.
See you next video. See you next video.